Arduino projects are powerful, but sometimes they don't look alive. This little shield turns your Nano project into a colorful, programmable display. It gives you 104 individually addressable RGB LEDs in a compact, nano-sized form factor. No messy wiring, just align the headers, press it in, and you have a clean LED matrix setup. Power and programming are handled through USB-C on the Nano board, making the workflow simple. The matrix is driven through a single data pin, D11, so the rest of your I/O stays available for sensors and other modules. Upload the demo, and the board immediately becomes a tiny canvas for animations, icons, and light effects. Rainbow, breathing, chase, twinkle, heartbeat, smiley face. It is not just it is a visual feedback system. With the Nano ESP32, you can control the matrix from a browser on the same 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Change the mode, adjust brightness, or control speed without touching the code again. For makers, it can be a desktop mood light or a compact status display. For IoT developers, it can show server status, sensor alerts, or smart home notifications. And for creative projects, it becomes a mini pixel art display for badges, props, signs, or interactive art. One important note: start with low brightness. At high brightness, RGB LEDs can draw more power and generate heat. For long high brightness use, choose a proper 5V external power supply and connect ground correctly. Small board, big visual feedback. This RGB LED Matrix Shield gives your Nano projects a voice you can actually see.